Hello. So, if you're looking to have a radiant complexion, you want to improve the health of your skin, or do you need a facial mask that can serve as a natural, hydrating, and moisturizing agent for your skin? Definitely, I have what you're looking for. So, sit back and enjoy every bit of this video. Hi, you're welcome to Arius Lifestyle TV. In this video, I want to introduce to you how you can make your own avocado and banana face mask. This will help you achieve a soft, smooth, and glowing skin. Avocados are not only high in healthy fats but also an excellent source of vitamin E and vitamin C. These vitamins play a key role in your health and vitality of your skin. So quickly, before we move on, I want to share with you guys benefits of avocados to your skin. I mean, why you should use avocados on your skin or even in your diet. So the good news is if your skin is prone to having breakouts, then you should consider making use of avocados because of its antimicrobial properties, and this will help minimize the breakouts. Also, avocados are a great source of biotin. It's a part of vitamin B complex. This biotin helps to prevent dry skin when applied topically. Vitamin C and E found in avocados help to prevent skin damages. This plays an important role in protecting your skin from damages that could be caused by the sun and even from inflammations. Still talking about avocados, they help to soothe skin conditions. Because of these vitamins, they help to speed up skin repair and also improve chronic skin conditions for those who have like eczema and acne. I'll be adding banana to this face mask, and that is because bananas are loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C that keeps your skin moist, soft, and also supple. So mixing it with avocado nourishes your skin and also leaves it looking so fresh. So all that I need for this face mask is ready, and I'm just going to be using half of a ripe avocado, and that is because I don't want to use much. I don't want to have leftovers of this face mask. So I'll just go ahead to scrape out the quantity of avocado I want for this face mask. I'm sure you can all notice how soft this avocado is. This is because it's going to be added to mashed lumps of unripe avocado. So you have to use an avocado that is ripe and would easily spread on your face when you're using it as a face mask. So it's time to add banana to this avocado face mask, and I'm going to be using half of a ripe banana because I don't want much. Like I said earlier, I don't want to have leftovers of this. So it depends on what you want. It depends on the quantity of the avocado face mask that you want to use on your face. Ahead to add an essential oil, and this is actually rose oil. It's also good if you have a very dry skin to add an essential oil to your avocado face mask. So our avocado face mask is ready to use, but you need to take note of some of these tips that I will share with you before applying your avocado face mask. Try as much as possible to put the face mask in the refrigerator just for a few minutes before you apply. And why you're doing that, it is because it helps to cool and calm your skin when you apply it on your face. Also, ensure that you apply the face mask to a clear face. What I mean is, do well to remove any makeup on your face, that is if there is any, and wash your face before applying your face mask. I think you should wear an old t-shirt because this face mask can stain your favorite clothes. So to avoid that, just wear a cloth that you're sure that when it gets stained, you won't be so pained. So I do not advise you store leftover mask, but if you need to do that, be sure to refrigerate for just a day or two and use up, so it would not rot and it eventually would turn black. Leave the mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with water and pat dry your face. Be sure to repeat this routine once or twice a week so you can get adequate results. Do well to observe how your skin feels during and after the application of this mask, in case you have a very sensitive skin, and make sure not to use any ingredients you are allergic to. Thank you guys for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Share this video, like, and drop your comments. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.